Mia, thank you for meeting me today. You've been at the school for how many weeks now?
Now it's 8 weeks.
8 weeks, okay. So how do you feel? How is your English progressing?
To be honest, I feel stuck at the moment at intermediate class.
Aha, Mia is feeling stuck. Well, Mia, I'm actually quite happy to tell you that this is a normal feeling, okay? Many students progress quite fast at the beginning, but then at a certain level, they get stuck. It happens so often that there's actually a term for it. It's called plateau, all right? So what I'd like you to do is to continue studying, stay focused on your goals, and I know that sometimes you might feel that you're not learning anything, but you are. Okay, so remember that every time you do something, you are building a block to get you to where you are. But if you don't keep focusing and going, you're never going to get to where you want to be. Okay, so it takes time. Be kind to yourself and keep on working. You will get over the plateau.
That's interesting. I never thought about it.
I'm glad I could help.